Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Outlook calendar to Calendly in WordPress. So let's get started. First thing that you need to know is that you don't connect Outlook inside WordPress directly. You connect it in Calendly first, then embed Calendly in WordPress. So first of all, you're going to head over to any of the search engine and search for Calendly. Make sure to create an account on Calendly, and then you're going to click on integrations and apps. Here, you're going to search for Calendly for Outlook. So you'll need to buy it from the Microsoft Marketplace. And once you have bought it, you got to check for conflicts if you have Outlook Calendar and add events to Outlook Calendar. You got to set Outlook as the primary calendar in Calendly. Once done, you got to copy your Calendly link and head over to your WordPress account. Here, you gotta open a page or the post editor, and then you gotta add a block of embed or custom HTML. You gotta add this link of iframe. You gotta type down your Calendly link in the source, and you can set the width, height, and then close the iframe. Once done, you gotta simply publish the page. So that's basically how you can connect your Outlook calendar to Calendly in WordPress. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.